Okay, basically this clear LED, it'll flash blue, I don't know how well it'll show up, is kind of the indicator as to what's going on. These four red ones represent the relays, and each relay controls the buttons 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have two potentiometers here that control the volume level of the beeper and the brightness level of this blue LED. The switch that I have here is just what we're going to use to test it for now. And there's actually two modes of operation. The first mode is you push the button the number of times for the function you want. So we'll do 3, and I know it'll be hard to tell when I'm pressing the button, but if you can listen close, you should hear 3 beeps, and that will indicate that we've selected function number 3. So here we go. So 3 beeps, a pause, and we're going to make this adjustable, and you can see the blue LED blinking and hear the beeper beeping 3 times. At that point, you have only a certain amount of time to activate before it just times out. So we'll let it time out. So basically, if you didn't do anything after selecting number 3, after a period of time, it just goes back to waiting. So we'll do it again, 3. So now it's waiting for an activation. So pressing and holding the button now will activate, and you can see the third LED is lit, indicating that that relay is closed and the whatever function number 3 goes to is moving for as long as you hold it down. So when you get to the position you want, you let it go and it stops. And it again goes back to waiting for you to select something else. Like, let's say you've moved 3 a sufficient distance and now you're going to do number 2. So 2 beeps. And now it's waiting for you to activate for function 2. And if you hold the button, there's relay 2 activating, and it's moved enough so you let it go. That's one mode of operation. The other mode is, if you're kind of an expert user, you can press the button the number of times you want and hold it on the last one. So let's do 4. So I pressed it 4 times and I held it. I'm still holding it, and now option 4 activates after a brief pause. And then once you get it where you want, you let go. Same thing, we can do it again. Like, let's do 2. Press it, and hold it. After a brief pause, function 2 activates. And I don't know if you can hear that beeper over there. It's a constant tone indicating, the chair recliner is, coming up or down or whatever. Then once you get to the position you want, you let it go, and it's waiting for the next command. So take a look and let me know what you think.